Hello guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to drink a cup of water. Now it's going to be quite simple. I know many people struggle with this issue, but I'm going to show you step by step how we do it, and it's going to start like this. First, we're going to look at the water, the cup of water. We see that there's some water in there still, so next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and grab the cup. And once you grab the cup, you want to make sure you lift it off the table. And the thing that's holding it down is gravity. So then once you're able to withstand the gravity with your strength, usually, your muscles, your arms, you're going to take the cup and then you're going to hold it to your face and to your lips. And you're going to go ahead and put it in and drink. I hope that helps, guys. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and list it below. And any likes or subscriptions is greatly appreciated. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. And thank you. Bye-bye.